Hi, my name is Natalia Silva. I am 28 years old. I am secretary. I am married. I am small in stature. My hobby is reading in bicycle and I live in Floresta, Boyacá. Next, I will make the representation of a situation in a restaurant. Good day. Can I take your order? Yes, I would like fish with garlic, but I change the garlic for cheese? No, I am sorry. But we have fish with mushrooms. If you try it, you may like it? Yes, it may be that way. Will you ask for a drink? I should drink water, so I would like a glass of water, please. Could I offer you the house drink? You will like that drink. No, I don't know. No, I could hurt me. You shall not make that mistake. No, this is a healthy drink made with ginger. People ought to drink it for skin care. I would like the fish, a little salt, and a glass of water. That's all. Okay, your order will take 10 minutes. Would you like anything else? No, but please, you must not forget my instruction, please. Thanks. Okay, fellows and tutor, his was my video reading and situation in a restaurant. Thanks.